Hi, first aid kit. We know every industry needs first aid kit. This first aid kit has some of the rules. So these rules must be mandatory in all type of industries. So let's see what are the mandatory first aid kit placements and its accessories. So normally first aid kit in industry you must have a location. So location preference and in a landmark area you have to keep. So being a safety officer or safety department, you have to prioritize the which location you have to be kept for first aid kit. The location is mainly main the easily accessible areas, and then it's a landmark, and also the persons trained for first aid should be there in that area. So when you are keeping the first aid kit, it should be visible. For example, in a particular department, you are keeping the first aid kit, it should be visible with the first aid logo. And then below the logo, you must have a what are the accessories are there within the first aid kit. There are bandages, elastic bandages, gauges, antiseptic cream, tweezers, then scissor, so then hard pack, then eye cup. So there are things are there for mandatory accessories are available in the market. So these first aid kits when you are keeping there, and some of the antiseptic and also the anti-inflammatory creams. So when you are keeping these creams and also some of prescribed medicines one or two, when it's from local medic or male nurse, then you can list out in front of the first aid kit who is the first aider there, the name and his designation, then the what are the things are there within the first aid, it should be visible. So these things you have to keep each and every location. So after that, you have a inspection checklist also there nearby first aid kit, when and who checked that first aid kit the last time. So every week one of the safety officer has to check the first aid kit accessories and its records. So these things are followed for every industries. It's a mandatory. So the first aid kit and also first aid trainer, these things you must be have a records in a safety department, and the trainer certificates copy also you must have. So these are the mandatory requirement for any safety department, any industries. Apart from this first aid kit of prominent locations, so it should not be far away. It should not be blocked with any rooms or any material. So it should be easily accessible, and then it's very near to the persons are there, and then easily accessible, anyone take anything immediately. So that is the goal. So apart from that, every vehicles must have a same first aid kit. It should be checked by the safety officer or safety department. Then these records also has to be maintained. every vehicles also inspected through the safety officer by means of first aid kits. So this is the basic thing. You must know it. Being a safety department, you have a lot of roles to play for first aid kit and first aid training. So it's not a simple thing to do the safety department. Every industries has the number of first aid trainer must be there. It's not only from the safety department, it's from different departments. These safety first aid trainer and training certificates must be there. It's kept available for safety department. So these are the simple things you must know it for first aid facilities in industries. Thank you.